It is going to
Are
be
you
sideways.
there?
Yes, I'm live.
Okay, great. Hello, everyone. Come in, join us. This is TMI Gifts. We are going to do a Halloween wreath today. So we're doing something new. We're getting out of the summer and the 4th of July. Well, we're not technically out of 4th of July. We are still doing patriotic stuff here. A lot of stuff that people are coming to pick up, patriotic. But today we're going to do a Halloween piece, and so I've gathered up a few different things. I went ahead and pre-cut me some 10-inch mesh. This is item number RY810066. This is a green snowdrift 10-inch mesh. I cut me 15 curls out of this, and I'm going to put it to the side. And we are going to do, when I thought about doing this Halloween wreath today, it was kind of something we threw together real quick, like, right, Macy? Yesterday afternoon. Poor Tiffany, she doesn't even have item numbers today to give to you guys, but I pulled a 30-inch swag to do because I'm going to use this cute little skeleton piece here. But I got to thinking about it, and I thought, I'm going to do a mesh wreath. I haven't done a mesh wreath in a while. I'm going to do a mesh wreath. I'm going to use some curls. I'm going to use a couple of little sprays, and I've got some really cool ribbon that I'm going to use. I've got this monster ribbon. I've got this Harlequin orange and black print. I've got this really spooky ribbon right here. And then I also pulled me some crystal shine. I pulled a lime green and a white crystal shine. So we're just going to kind of play with it and see what it turns out like. So if y'all just now joining us, it's TMIGifts.com. It's our weekly live. We're going to do a Halloween wreath. Anything you see you like here today is TMIGifts.com. Download our app. It gets you in with letting you know where our blowout sale items and things like that are. Okay, so on this work wreath, I have taken it and I've mashed it in a little bit. I'm going to put my mesh, instead of it being round, it's more of an oval shape now. I'm going to put my mesh in, and the reason why I've done that is I wanted a little bit long for my monster to go in, my skeleton, whatever he is. There.
He's a cute skeleton. He's not scary looking.
He is. I really like him. Okay, so I just pulled an orange work wreath here.
Tiffany's on YouTube. Tiff, is this right? I try to turn it sideways, and I don't think lives are supposed to be sideways, so give me your opinion. Do we look good? And I need to comment the website on here.
Okay, so I'm going to go all the way on the outside with my mesh.
I don't know how.
And then I'm going to go to the inside. So everybody let us know.